guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mercy from Essence Creations, and today we're going to be playing with slime. We're going to be testing the consistency of this slime. It's called unicorn slime, and my sister is here with her slime as well. So yeah, let's get into the video. We're going to be playing. I loaded. You guys are watching too?
Yeah.
And
Hotel, Transylvania.
That's the new one came out.
The monsters turn into humans. And the
you don't spoil it for them.
Okay, sorry. Look at this jiggly and pickly jiggly. But it's a little bit scary, you guys.
Yeah.
Don't
For kids.
Don't let tiny little people watch it.
You watched it.
Yeah, but I'm 10.
And he's 5. Oh yeah, he didn't watch it. He didn't want to watch.
He likes Sing 2.
He
Sing
doesn't
2 is
like
not
watching
scary.
animated movies. He doesn't like watching.
By the way,
anyways, I'm gonna make it.
This girl is on fire. Really, I thought this was ears. This was. She was on fire. Hello. Watch this video all day. It's the best video. Hello. And subscribe to this movie. Bye. It's not a movie.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And make a thumbs up.
We can't see your face, boy.
And make a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Hit that little bell down below.
And subscribe to our channel. Come on. Go and subscribe. Oh, we're not done.
Subscribe to my channel.
Since we're in the channel.
9. You only in one video, girl.
We were in 2 videos.
And plus,
you did delete the tent, whatever challenge thing.
yeah, because it wasn't nice, okay?
Baba,
I'm
please. Baba.
Anyway.
Baba is not fun, you know.
Anyways.
Look at my jiggly hole.
Yeah. This slime is like really fun.
I am
playing with this slime for days and days and days.
Even
normally when I get slime, I normally just like put random stuff in it, and then I end up throwing
this is how you make bubble.
and then I end up throwing it away later. Hey guys, so we put our slimes back. As you guys might know, I got the purple slime and my sister got the pink slime. I think there are more colors.
my brother saw blue. And
There
also
were also these like baseline things, but yeah. So make sure to like,
subscribe and hit the notification bell.
And make sure you tell your friends, your siblings, and everybody else to watch out to watch my show.
And if you want to sue, you have to watch that video.
Yeah,
it's the first one.
Yeah, I also do sewing videos. If you guys want to watch, go ahead and go to my YouTube channel. You just like
it's called Ashlyn's Creations.
Right next to the subscribe button, they say just press that thing.
Yeah, it's called Ashlyn's
I
Creations.
said that in the beginning of the video, but it's okay. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.